Yeah, got him. Got him. That's a good one. Look at that. Jerry got one too. Jerry meron din. Double. We got double. Jerry got one too. Guys, ayaw na magtigil yung... Oh no. Fish on, Jer.
Fish on.
Fish on. Oh, andun nga. Saan ba yun? Okay, so andyan niya. Oh, okay. Fish on, Jerry. Number? Huwag na bilangin yung itlog. Bilang-bilang ka na naman itlog. Ooh, ay, maliit, Jer. Pero baka pumasok ng 15. Ano mo? Oh. Mukhang papasok ng 15, Jer. Papasok, Jer. Papasok ng 15. You see? Stretch mo. 12, 13, 14, 15. Look at it. Look at how many people we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Around here, look, we have like 10 boats all over here before you get to that mouth. That's the mouth right there, guys. Ugong, guys. Dandalan dyan kasi refish yan. Malakas yan. May power pa yan. Ay, net. Ay, malaki sipid, boy. Malaki sipid. Laki, boy. Laki. Jong. Aray ko. Dadakol. Did I say I'm gonna get him? Because I missed one. I missed it while I'm gonna get you back. Sabi ko, Jong, eh. That's a good one too. Big one. Some binster. Ooh. I got it, Joe. Yeah. Ugly stick. I told you, bro. I'm gonna get him. Look, I'm gonna get him back. I'm gonna run one more. Diba? Yeah. 18, boy. 18, guys. One more. We got limit. Guys, nakita nyo ba yan? Ang dami ito. Hanggang ilalim yan. One more. Dada lang, Jong, kasi malaki yan. Take your time. Take your time kasi redfish yan. See, I told you! First drop! Eli! First drop, redfish! Huwag mo na, Jera. Ako na, Jong, kaya baka makawala, Jong. Ikaw na sa net, Jong. Ikaw sa net. Ikaw sa net, Jong. Ito. Guys, secure natin to kay first redfish natin. Mamaya, makawala pa. Mag-history na lang, guys. Kwentong barbero na lang to.
Medyo kaparman ako ngayon. Medyo asin pa naman, asin.
Jer, wag mo na, Jer. Kaya baka magkuluputan tayo. Ano to eh, aalagwa to eh. Good size ito, Jong. Yeah, look at that. Perfect size, ha?
Big boy.
Sandok, wag mo na ipakita. Pag nakita mo ulo, saka mo sandukin. Sandok. Perfect size. One down. Yan, mga 21 yun, Jong. Baka 22 pa.
Lampas daw.
Ulo, ha? Yan, ulo. 18, 19, 20. 21 media.
Tabo, oh.
Ha? 18, 19, 20. You go. First redfish. Kalalagay lang ni Jong.
Ay, ako, ito pala gusto sa akin.
Diyan ka pala malupit, Jong. Si Jong. Take your time, Jong. Hayaan ko na ikaw maglaro, ha? Okay, hindi ko na, huwag mo na adjust yung drag. The same lang yan. Another one!
Subukan.
Come closer here! Eli, come closer! They're over here!
Luwan, oh.
Ay,
Kitang ka?
ako na, Jong. Malakas, Jong. Mas malaki to, Jong, doon sa isa. Jer, tanggalin mo, Jer, yung sa'yo, Jer. Yung isa, Jer. Yan, tanggalin mo na yan. Malaki to, Jong. Jong, malaki to. Guys, malaki to, guys. May huli din si Jerry. We got double. We got double.
Kaya pala ano? Wala palang pagkaan.
Okay, ready Jong? Ready? Paglabas ng ulo, sandok ha? Galit pa. This is a good one right here. Malakit na, mas malakit na doon sa una, Jong.
20.
Ay, Jong, di mo bigla lalabas yan.
Ano sir? Ano kanina? 18 ano yan?
Ito ba, mas malakit. Sandok, Jong! Sandok, sandok! Yes, sir! Woo-hoo-hoo! Baby! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Kapag wala. Walang 30 sir?
Ha?
Walang 30.
Sukati mo ulo. Yan.
29?
24, 25. Oh, Jong! Ayos! 27! 4, 5, 6, 7. 27, perfect!
So wala pagtagyan.
Wala yung tag, wala tag yan. Dito, Jong! Dito, Jong, pakita mo.
Dalawa guys.
Dalawa, second one.
Alam nyo na.
Si Jong talagang sakalam. Jong! Picture kita.
Yes, sir.
Hawakan mo na, Jong. Anit, Jong, hawakan mo.
Ito sir.
Hawakan mo na yan. Tapos, higpitan mo. Ay, hindi, ayusin mo yung dulo. Nakapulupot ng dulo. Bingo! Jong Gary. Nakawala ka sa akin ha, kay Jong, huli ka. Ako na, Jong. Baka ka. Pakilipat dito, Jong. Pakilipat. Jer, tayo Jer. Kaya malaki to. Ano malapit to. Another one! I'll bring it to Gary. Put that on big.
Lakas niya no?
Malakas guys. Malaki to, Jong.
So malaki ulit sir.
Hindi, the same lang size to sa isa. Ito, Jong, huwag mong pipersahin kasi ano to? Maangas. Sa unang bulyo niya, malakas pa yan.
O yung nilbis na.
Mhm.
Kaya ang dami niyang nakakawala no?
Kaya kung hindi ka marunong maglaro, pag malakas, ginaganyan ko para hatakin niya rito.
Parang makawala sa release mo.
Pakitanggal yung akin. Yun na, Jong, bantay, Jong. Malaki nga.
Pares nun.
Malaki to, Jong. Ulo! Huli ka, mas malaki to.
Ay oo.
Malaki to.
Puto palaki ng palaki.
Yes, palaki na huli, Jong.
Palaki oh.
Palaki. Uy.
Ito itatag na to sir.
Ito, tag mo yan.
Ano bang size ang dapat itag sir?
28 and above. Pero pag 28, okay pa.
There you go.
Tagal mo. Okay, diharap dito, Jong. Kasi gano'n mo.
Yes sir.
Yan o. Fish on, baby. Fish on.
Malaki oh.
Bali, wala. Sukat, Jong. Sukat.
Mga ano to sir?
Mukhang 28 yan, Jong, ha.
Yan.
Malaki, Jong. Pero, Jong.
29,
Yeah.
30.
Ano, 39 and a half, Jong. 30. Ano mo ito, tag mo. Talian natin dito. Tag mo.
Yeah.
Kunin mo yung tag mo. Alam mo na yung tag? Turuan kita. Okay, so this is like a tutorial how to tag your fish on redfish. So once you pull up your license, you find this little guy here that has a fish on it, and then you're gonna have to tear this right here, that, and then from this side like that. No, tago mo yan. Tapos you need to have is this. Uy, ano yun? Gulat ako.
Kalamis.
You need to have a scissor. So this scissor right here. On the other side, if you flip this tag on the side, you're gonna see this like a little what do you call this thing?
Sticky part? Sticky?
No, it's like a triangle. It's indicate the date, the month, the year. Wala akong salamin, Jong.
Yun naman parehas tayo.
And then you're gonna have to put your name here. But before that, because we don't have a pen, what we're gonna do is like what day today, what month. Yun na, Jerry got one too. Jerry got one. Take it. Luwagan mo yung drag mo, Jerry, huwag masyadong mahigpit. Kasi puputulan ka dyan. Jong, liwanag mata mo?
Hindi sir.
Mamaya, we'll do it.
Mga
Okay. Focus on the fish. Okay? Dito ka, Jong. Tsaka niya, dito ako. Take your time. Pag banat, largahan mo, ha? Pag medyo lumamig, balok to trad. Okay? Pag magaan, baltak. I'll go this way. Kontrolin mo yung isda mo, ha? Pag pumunta kaliwa, paling kanan. Oh, oh. Okay, you can pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up. Kaya mo yun, Jer. Maliit lang eh. Pick it up. Kaya mo yan. Oh, tight mo ang drag. Ang drag. Tight your drag. Tight your drag, Jerry. Jerry, tight your drag. There you go. Alright. Okay, up. Wait for Joe. Salubong, Jerry. Ilapit mo sa kanya. Salubongin mo, Joe. Huwag mong gagalawin na yung rod mo pag papunta na kay Jong.
Huwag mo sumama.
It looks short though. That one look 19.
First name of place worth Golden Ink.
Tingnan mo to. Ano ang pitsa ngayon? March, di ba?
Yes sir, March.
Look for number 3.
March 14.
1, 2, 3. It has a tag on it. Ito. Ano dito? Ano yan? January?
July, August, September, October, November, December.
And this side?
Sa kabila.
Anong side? Hanapin mo yung March.
Pangatlo.
From here?
Yes sir.
O from here?
Pag sa galing taas.
Okay, what? Ano to? January, March?
Yeah.
To? So cut mo yan. Huwag mo takpan nyo. You need to cut this. Kasi now, you cut here. It means you caught him on March. And then, what date? Hanapin mo dito.
March 14.
Hanapin mo yung 14. Because I don't have a glasses.
Ito sir.
Huh?
Second to the right.
Second to the right?
Yeah.
Here? What? Ito 14?
Yes sir.
Okay, so you're gonna have to cut that thing. Like that.
Yeah.
Like that. Okay. Now you caught him on March 14.
Tanggalin na sir.
Now, you caught him on March 14, 26. 2026, sorry.
Dali sir, rapid.
Saan ang 26?
21. Ay, ito ba yan?
Hindi, that's a year. Wala?
Wala sir eh.
Okay, so now, it's understandable that it's
Parang,
to this year.
yeah,
Okay.
to this year.
So now you're gonna have to put your name here, where you caught him, Brasoria, name, Brasoria, Kanti.
Print name of place work. Golden Ink.
Ito. Dito lalagay mo yung name mo dito.
Pangalan ko, sir.
Gabriel. And then dito, Brasoria. Kanti. Okay? Alright. Isip mo yan. Ilalagay natin dito. Tapos ngayon, let me speak in English. Now you're gonna have to, it has like a small hole here. Just poke that thing. Right there. See it? Right there. Now, hold this. Okay lang yan kasi wala tayong ballpen. Pero pagdating mo doon, lalagyan mo ng importante yan kasi meaning to say hindi mo na magagamit yan kasi napunit mo na eh.
Tapos saan ko ilalagay ito?
I-mail mo.
Sa
Kanti. Dito dyan, halika dyan. Now you put it on the tail. Put it on the tail. Wrap around the tail. Right here. Wrap around the tail. Then itali mo ng hipit. Okay?
Hindi na matatanggal yan sir.
Hindi na. Like this. See right here? You put it here.
Ganun.
Yeah. Okay.
Kailangan mong email sa kanila yan.
Pagdating mo sa bahay. Sige, right here. Tali mo ng maigi dyan.
Pero ang email mo lang sir, ito lang.
Yun, papel lang.
Ano nito, 18?
Okay, papel. Ito. 20. It has to be 20.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
It's exact 20.
Wait. We need to show that. Okay, see that? You're good to go. Put it here and we're good to go.
Kahit na mga continue.
Okay, pag 20, kailangan nguso. Oh, hindi, Jerry. Nguso. Okay, wait. Baka makawala to. Nguso, Jer. Nguso, ha?
Yeah.
Tanda mo, nguso yan. Tapos yan, ayan. Sakto 20.
Yeah.
Okay? Pero kasi pag nilagay mo sa ice, mag-shrink. Yan ang problema ngayon.
Okay.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Okay. Pilay, that's a big one. Oh, it's right there. It's a trucha. Oh, freaking ladyfish, bro. Freaking ladyfish. That's a big lady. What the? Nakawala na naman sa akin, boy. Malaki, pati yun. Yeah, got him. Got him. Oh, tanggal yan, tanggal. Tanggal mo yan, tanggal mo, Joe. That's a good one. Look at that. Jerry got one too. Jerry meron din. Double. We got double. Jerry got one too. Guys, ayaw na magtigil yung... Oh no. Oh, Jerry. Sayaw na, Jerry. Jerry, pay attention ha, kasi baka magpuluputan tayo. Jerry, palingin mo kanan, Jerry. Paling kanan.
Dito kaya sila para makakuha din.
Oh shit. Ah, lakas talaga. Malaki to, Joe.
Baka ma-
Malaki to. Ayaw, ano, parang red snapper, Joe.
Kapatunan niya dito. Patapos na pababa. Pababa ng pababa.
Come here.
Hindi ka saan. Sino mauna?
Pag nauna si Jerry, kung maliit-liit yung kay Jerry, mauna yan dyan. Ito malaki to.
Hindi, matagal to. Pakurin ko muna to. Gusto niyo, pagsabayin ko na eh. Pagtabi niyo, karga ko lang
The
minute.
ball red. Oh, na si Jerry. Jerry got it first. Good job. Okay. Tagal mo na yun, Jong. Kay next nito.
Tapon mo lang to. Tapon mo.
Okay. Ready? Ah, dali. Okay, just stand up. Just stand up.
Shit! Hey boy!
Oh boy. Now that's a... Ah?
Takay ko to?
28? Oh, perfect. Let me see.
Diba 28 yan?
Okay, so make sure tanggalin mo to. Hawakan mo. Kailangan dyan ha. Yan sakto sa ulo. Tapos ipipinch mo.
29.
29 boy. Magtatag ka. 28 lang eh. 29 ito. Ipipinch mo itong tail.
Huwag na, ibalik ko na lang.
Hindi, useless lang naman yung tag eh. Don't worry about your tag. Huwag ka mag-alala sa tag.
Okay.
Benefits mo nga yun eh. Okay. Tingin dito. Picture tayo. Yeah, 31. 31 and a half. Eli! Do you want this?
Too big!
Yes, too big.
I don't wanna use my tag.
Okay. How about you, Jerry?
Huwag na, ibalik mo na lang yan.
Hindi yan sa'yo. Yeah, okay yan siya na size eh.
Huwag na, ibalik mo na lang yan. Sige, gamitin ko.
Kasi pag nakahuli ka, itatag mo rin. Hindi gamitin mo na ngayon. Good size yan eh. Hindi mo makita yung sa'yo?
Saan ba yun?
Ito, kabilang side. Hanapin mo yung isda. Hanapin mo yung isda. Tama? Yan ang gamitin mo. Turuan mo dyan. Guys, so this is over the limit and I already used my tag. So I'm gonna let go this guy. This is how you release this. Do not let go it yet. Just wait for it. See? Make sure you... There you go. Now, okay, so ready? Watch. I'm gonna hold him here on the tail. There we go. Whew. There you go. Yeah, it's ready. Ooh, ooh. There you go. That's how you release that thing. Fish on. I'm tired, bro. Oh, mapapali ito. Joe! Joe!
Yun naman.
Ayun na naman si Joe. Ay, diretso. Okay.
Oh, malaki.
Malaki na naman.
Malaki na naman.
Labanan mo, Jong.
Okay tayo.
Okay, good. Malaki na naman yan, Jong.
Parang yung ano, sir.
Ilay! Uno mas!
Ayaw daw niyang gamitin yung tanya.
Okay, Jong, sige, Jong. Ha? Iligawan? Okay, Jong, ano, Jong. Hey, they got tangled up! We got tangled up!
Grabe, yung layo na mo.
Jong, yeah, it came off. Yeah, we got tangled up. That's why it came off. It's okay. Yeah, it came up. He pulled my hook. You look. It's okay. It's okay, baby.
Napi. Yun yung kanya sa nahok
No,
niya.
nahuli mo tapos nahook niya yung
Yung hook.
hindi yung line mo. Tapos kaya nakawala.
Hindi ko makuha ng tamang size.
Hindi naman namin yung guys. Bingo na naman to. Luwagan mo kandin drag mo, Jong. Yan.
Okay. Gano'n dun sa ano.
Dulo. Okay. Okay, go.
Tulupot sa dulo.
Luwagan mo konti. Okay, good. Alright. Drop it down.
Nag-abang na daw, nag-abang.
Jong. Kinagatan na naman ako.
Ano kung na malalaki?
Ito, dito ka. Ay, meron na. Jong, got it again!
Ito, hindi siya masyado malaki, sir. Sana nga.
Touch yung drag. Kaya akala mo hindi malaki?
Masyado tang tight. Okay lang, sir.
Okay lang yan, okay lang. Labanan mo, Jong. Video gusto yung guys. Anong maliit ha? Sabi mo maliit? Pinersa mo, Jong. Well, it's okay, Jong. It's okay.
Alam mo, maliit ha.
It's okay, Jong.
Sabi na, sir.
Maliit kasi ang linya ni Jerry. Tinawag mo maliit, Jong.
Nagalit po.
Pero, Jong.
Alam ko, sir, laki. Sir,
Bahala ka dyan sa buhay mo. Bahala ka dyan. Nanuman! Bahala ka sa buhay mo dyan, Jong. Bakit kami lang maghirap? Ikaw din. Ano ka? Jerry, magpupuluputan kayo. Kanan ka dyan. Tanggalin mo yan dyan. Tanggalin mo. Kasi sigurado, magpupuluputan kayo. Hindi marunong si Jong mag-control eh. Wait. Okay. Jer, kung gusto mo, doon ka magtapon sa banda doon. Kasi si Jong naglalaban sa harap.
ito. Hindi parang yung nahuli mo.
Yeah. Malaki. Sa malalaman mo laki kasi tug-tug, di ba? Oh. Oh, baby! Otro más! Oh, Jerry got one too! Yes, sir! Double na. Jerry, mukhang kaya mo yun sa'yo, ha?
Oo.
Tanda mo yung trolling, ha?
Maliit yan.
Jerry, si Jong dito, guys.
Tingnan mo si Jong, oh. Away na to.
Ano to? Away ba? Gusto mo? Gulo? Jerry, control yung mista mo kasi baka pagpuluputan kayo Jong, pares mawala. Guys, dalawa, oh. Oh. Kawilaan. Oh. Laki speak ko. Dali. Dali, Jerry. Throwing, Jerry. Okay, wait. Pag pick up mo, babanatan ko sa ulo, ha. Wait. Kalma. Pag nakaharap sa akin. Okay, up. Kailangan nakaharap sa akin, ha, para masalok yung ulo. Okay. Bring it to me. Ikot mo. Tapos angat. That's a monster trout. Monster. Woo! Pwede mong ikip yan. Kasi trophy mo. Doon sa ano mo, sa tag mo, meron ka isa.
Mga trophy naman yan, sir.
Yeah, trophy yan, trophy trout. Look! Monster! Yung ano yung sa'yo, yung redfish o trout?
Nakadalawa na yung katabi ko. Eli.
Eli! Monster! Trophy trout.
Diyan yan ako yun, no?
Yeah. Yeah. Wow!
Lumabas yung mukha.
You see that? Sige, Jong, angat yung... Oh, wow!
Big boy.
What the?
Alam niya ako. Kaya pala. Tingin ka pa? Tama na yung laban
Go.
mo. Sakit na ng muscle ko.
Angat, Jong.
Yes. Alam niya ako.
Iya, papunta sa akin. Reel mo, reel. Yeah. Oh, wag mo na hilahin, wag mo na hilahin.
Oh.
Tingnan ko guys, kung kaya kong angatin ito ng isang kamay. Bigat mo eh! Yeah.
Ay, wala to. Parang yung kanina.
Parang kanina to.
Ito kasi tinapon natin kanina eh. Grabe.
Okay.
Diyo mong bunot.
Tinapon mo?
Ha?
Pinakawala mo?
Hindi.
Ha?
Hindi.
Tingnan mo yung ano mo kung may tag ka ng speckled trout. Jong, ikaw magbitaw nito, Jong. Okay.
Guys,
Guys, oh.
maliit kasi tatapon namin, hindi pwede. Ha?
Yan mo na, ano mo na, sukatin mo muna kung ilangan ng sukat.
So,
Mga 31 yan. 31 nga.
Ano half?
32? 32 and a half. What the?
31, sir. 31 ano
31 and a half? Okay. Papakawalan mo, Jong. Huwag mo muna, ano ba? Ang graper natin, Jong, ha? Nakaraan, alam mo na. Okay, okay, good. Huwag mo muna hawakan yan.
Alam mo.
Ito rastas.
Hmm.
Okay, sige, Jong.
Kasi masyadong maliit.
Ayaw ni Jong na malaki, guys.
Bye!
Jong, hindi. I-revive mo muna.
Ganun mo na, sir. Di ba, sir? May mo taman na.
Kasi yan na naman si Jong. Bira! Bira! Bira na naman!
Laki na naman.
Ah, man!
What?
Hey, this is what you came for. This is what you want, right? Sabi mo gusto mo malaki.
Kita ko sa na.
Kunti lang. Sige, barat.
Sabat. Takla ko meron. Naramdaman na yung nita.
Nakita niyo yung net. Sabi niya, alis tayo rito, sasalukin na tayo.
Gusto mo yan eh.
Yan ang gusto mo, di ba? Sabi mo, gusto mo isda. Yan ang gusto ko. Nagwawala, boy. Oo. Pinapahirapan ko si Jong, guys. Pinawala nga buhay mo siya, Jong.
Gusto ko ng bull yawan sa loki mo na sa... Pinapabayaan ko na.
Napansin mo rin pala, Jong?
Sinasalot ko.
Napansin mo rin pala?
Hindi nasalutin eh.
Napansin mo rin pala.
Rob, sarap yan.
Jerry, parang kang tumama sa luto niyan.
Okay.
Aray ko. Uy! Jong?
28.
Ay, 29, Jong.
Yung sobra.
Oh, isang ano lang.
Para sila doon, oh.
Picture
Para sila
dyan.
doon.
Mo gusto mo redfish, di ba? Oh, yan. Dadakol.
Cool.
Ano sukat dyan, John? 29?
29, sir.
29. 1 inches na lang, kung nag-less. Pwede sana.
Naubusan kami ng tag sa dami ng redfish.
Jong, iangat mo Jong ng angat yun tapos hawakan mo yung belly. Katulad ng panghawak ko kanina. Yan, ganyan. Okay, steady. Okay. You put it here in the water. Do like that. See? Pag nag-start na siya magsipa-sipa, kasi pag binitawan mo agad yan, yan. Para magkaroon siya ng hangin sa gills niya. Nakita mo yung nagabula? Kasi pag nag-start na yung buntot niya gumalaw, alam mo na yun, ready na siya. So this is how you properly release the fish, especially on redfish. Yan yung buntot, nag-curl, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yan. Yan na, nagsipasipa na. Okay, so hawakan mo yung buntot. Hawakan mo yung buntot, bitaw mo na. Yan. Pagsipa niya, bitaw mo na yan. See? Ayun na, sipa na. Ibitaw mo na ngayon. Woo! There you go. That's how you properly release the fish. Alright, that's about it, guys. We're done for today, man. Guys, tingin dito, Jerry. Guys, we're done for today. We're heading home, guys. Pagod na kami. Shout out kay Pastor Ron.
Grabe.
Hi, Pastor Ron.
Shout out sa mga tropa natin.
We miss you.
Ensure lang to para na offshore yung paramdam mo. Bukod sa tinira ng alon, tsaka malalaking isda.
Shout out to Sea Adventure PH, Salty Inc. Shout out to Estrella del Norte Anglers. Shout out sa mga tropa natin dyan. Kay Ariel. Shout out kay Jason. Shout out kay Dix. Shout out kay yung mga tropa natin. Nakalimutan mo pang pangalan. Basta lahat ng mga tropa natin dyan sa Taytay, Palawan. Shout out sa inyong lahat, guys. Kita-kits next year. Babalik ulit ako ng Pilipinas. And hopefully we can go back fishing again. Alright.
Shoutout sa tatay o tay. Alam mo na, kalalabas mo lang ng ospital kaninang umaga ata o kahapon. Pagalingan na. Bawasan ang tigas ng ulo. Okay?
Okay.
Tigas ng ulo lang.
Ayun, may trout pa. Shoutout nga pala, shoutout kay sa utol kong hudlom sa Singapore. Kay Carl. Shoutout din kay Ate Joy. Shoutout kay pinakamamahal kong mama. I love you, mama. Mwah. Shoutout kay Dre. I love you, nak. Pakabait ka dyan. Sino pa ba? Sa lahat ng mga tropa natin. See you soon. Until next time. Fish on, baby. Shoo! Come on! Fish on! Come on, alive! Okay, the eagle has landed. We're gonna give away some fish. Okay. Uy! Oh no. We always want to help our community, guys. So we're gonna give away some fish. Where's Pops? Where's Pops?
Where's Papa?
He already left? Your husband, the guy,
Yeah.
he already left?
Yeah.
Okay.
Had to go to work.
Go ahead.
Stick that one in there.
Mm-hmm.
And that one's from here.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Give me some hug.
Yes, sir. God bless.
God bless you. Thank you.
It's passed over.
Thank you, ma'am.
Jesus roll.
Appreciate it.
Amen. Thank you.
All right, we'll do it again.
All right. Bait now?
Huh?
Have any leftover bait?
Bait? Oh, we already throw it away.
Okay.
Oh man, I wish we.
That's all right.
Yeah, we threw it away. You're welcome. Give me a hug. This is my little buddy.
Thank you for taking
All right.
me fishing.
Yes, sir. We'll do it again. And this is my brother from another mother.
Yes, sir.
Look. We look alike, right? Hey, shout out to Josue.
Hey, un saludo para Josué. Josué, te queremos mucho. Gracias por todo. Hey, fish on, baby.
Fish on. We got what we came for.
Yes, sir.
Where's that other guy? He's tired.
Yeah,
he's tired.
Okay,
We'll do it again, bye-bye.
thank you for the
All right, we'll do it again.
Right, sir. Take care.
Tanggalin mo na yung collar yung babae natin.
Yes, sir.
Yung ano dyan, yung rod mo. Dito, Jer. Ilapit mo, Jer. Idikit mo, idikit. Dikit mo.
Meron pa ako.
Kailangan mo ng tulong dyan?
Oo. 20 pounds.
Hindi na 20 pounds ito yung. So dami nyo. Picturean nyo ito yung kasama ko sa ano ha? Sa vlog ha?
Send ko sa'yo.
Ready?
Tatag namin dun sa...
Guys, Oh my gosh, punong-puno oh.